Welcome to Facts Info, your source for fascinating facts and enlightening information. Blueprint of life. DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid, is the fundamental building block of life. It carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms. Double helix structure. DNA has a double helix structure, famously discovered by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. This structure resembles a twisted ladder, with two strands running in opposite directions and connected by nucleotide base pairs. Nucleotide composition. DNA is made up of nucleotides, which consist of a sugar molecule, deoxyribose, a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogenous bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. Base pairing rule. Adenine pairs with thymine, AT, and cytosine pairs with guanine, CG. This complementary base pairing is crucial for DNA replication and the transmission of genetic information. Genetic code. The sequence of these base pairs forms the genetic code, which determines the unique characteristics of an organism, including physical traits, susceptibility to diseases, and more. Gene expression. DNA contains genes, which are segments of DNA that code for specific proteins. Gene expression involves the transcription of DNA into messenger RNA, mRNA, followed by translation into proteins. Epigenetics. While DNA provides the blueprint for life, environmental factors can influence gene expression through a field called epigenetics. These modifications can affect how genes are turned on or off without altering the DNA sequence itself. Genetic variation. DNA variations, such as mutations, contribute to genetic diversity within and among species. Some mutations may be harmful, while others can be beneficial or have no noticeable effect. Inherited traits. Many traits, such as eye color, hair texture, and susceptibility to certain diseases, are inherited from parents through DNA. This inheritance follows Mendelian principles of genetics. Genetic disorders. Mutations in DNA can lead to genetic disorders, such as cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Huntington's disease. Understanding the genetic basis of these disorders is crucial for diagnosis and treatment. DNA replication. Before a cell divides, its DNA must replicate to ensure that each daughter cell receives a complete set of genetic information. This process involves the unwinding of the DNA double helix and the synthesis of new complementary strands. DNA repair mechanisms. Cells have sophisticated mechanisms to repair DNA damage caused by various factors, including radiation, chemicals, and replication errors. Failure in these repair processes can lead to mutations and diseases like cancer. Forensic DNA analysis. DNA analysis has revolutionized forensic science by providing a powerful tool for identifying individuals based on their unique DNA profiles. This technique is widely used in criminal investigations and paternity testing. Genome sequencing. Advances in technology have made it possible to sequence entire genomes, providing a comprehensive view of an organism's genetic makeup. This information is invaluable for studying genetic diseases, population genetics, and evolutionary biology. Gene regulation. Cells tightly regulate gene expression to ensure proper development, tissue function, and response to external stimuli. This regulation involves complex networks of transcription factors, non-coding RNAs, and epigenetic modifications. Horizontal gene transfer. While vertical gene transfer, from parent to offspring, is the primary mode of genetic inheritance, horizontal gene transfer allows genes to be transferred between different species. This phenomenon has played a significant role in microbial evolution. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.